In this tutorial, we will look at how can we install Java on a Windows machine and how can we install IntelliJ IDEA and run a simple test. Alright, so now we are on Oracle website on Download Java page. Here we can select, depending on the version we need, Java 19 or Java 17. Let's go with Java 17. Here we can also select the operating system. Let's select Windows. And now click on the download installer, and once it's downloaded, just open it. This is the installation setup. Let's click on next. Here we can set the destination folder. You can leave it like this, click next, and now we wait for installation to complete. And once it's completed, just click on close. Let's test now Java was correctly installed. Open a command prompt and here type java-version. As you can see, we get back the version we just installed and everything seems to be fine. Now let's install IntelliJ IDEA. Click on download. Here we can select the operating system. Let's go with Windows. And we have two options, Ultimate and Community. Let's download the free edition, which is Community Edition. And once the installer was downloaded, let's open it. Here, click Next. At this step, we set the destination folder. We can leave it like this. Click Next. Here we have the installation options. We can go with the default values and click Next. And here we choose the Start menu folder and click Install. Okay, installation is done. Click on Finish and let's open IntelliJ IDEA and create a simple test. So click on New Project. Here we specify the project name. Also can specify the location, the language, we set Java, build system IntelliJ, and we also need to specify the JDK. Let's select JDK version 17 we just installed and click on Create. Just created the first project. Let's open the main class and here we have a simple Hello World program. Let's give it a run. First from build, select build module. Build completed successfully, and from run, select run main Java. We have the hello world message in console and everything seems to be fine.